everyone. Okay, so today you just have to practice with some high frequency words, some sight words, I'm so sorry. So with these words, we're going to be doing something called pyramid writing. So you have 4 words and they're in bold right here. Let's read them. Ready? My turn. Jump. Your turn. Read. Good. My turn. Move. Your turn. Read. Good. My turn. Run. Your turn. My turn. 2. Your turn. Great reading. This is the 2 like the number 2. Okay, so T-W-O is 2. It looks like two, huh? That's how I would read that. But that word is 2 and it's the number 2. With pyramid writing, you're going to start by writing the first letter in each word, then both letters, the second letter and the first, and keep adding. And look, it kind of looks like a pyramid as you go down. So we're starting with jump. And here's your example. So the first letter in jump is J. Good. The second letter in jump is U. So we're going to write J, then J-U. The third letter in jump is M. So we're going to write J, J-U, J-U-M. And finally, the whole word at the bottom, J-U-M-P. So you write each letter with its next buddy until you make a pyramid all the way down. You're going to do all 4 words. You can do it on a piece of paper, on your whiteboard. You can draw it with your finger in the air. That is cool. That is totally fine with me. As long as you're practicing, and by the end of it, if I showed you one of these words on a card, you'd be like, jump, or like, or run. That's another word. Awesome job, first graders. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next week.